Trading successfully on IQ option requires a combination of strategy, discipline, and risk management. Here are some steps to improve your chances of success. Understand the platform. Before you start trading, familiarize yourself with the IQ option platform. Learn how to navigate the interface, use various tools, and analyze charts. The platform offers a demo account, which is perfect for practice. Develop a trading strategy. Use a trading strategy based on your risk tolerance and trading style. Common strategies include technical analysis, study charts, trends, and patterns using indicators like moving averages, RSI or MACD. Fundamental analysis. Understand market news, economic events, or company earnings reports that could affect asset prices. Start with small investments. Begin with small amounts to minimize risk as you learn. Avoid putting a significant portion of your funds into one trade. Use proper risk management. Set stop loss and take profit levels for every trade to limit your losses and lock in profits. A good rule is to risk no more than 1 to 2% of your total capital on each trade. Stay disciplined. Stick to your plan and avoid emotional trading. Don't chase losses or make impulsive trades based on market fear or greed. Continuously learn. Keep learning from your trades and adjust your strategy accordingly. Use educational resources and stay updated on market trends.